How are y'all doing? My name is Kyler with Coastal Elite Roofing. Today we're out at 250 Sara, Beth Drive, Brooklet, Georgia for Mr. Clifford Holt. He's got some damage to his roof. Really, this video is just for the front side of his roof. We've already spoken about everything, and at first we originally had an agreement that we were going to replace the front side, and then we would just leave the back side, or the homeowner would come out of pocket for that. But today I'm going to be doing a repairability test to show why we need the whole front side replaced. All the valleys are woven. There's a good bit of damage on the front side. It is an older roof, and bear with me today, I'm by myself, but this is the shingle that we're going to be, hold on. This is the shingle that we're going to be replacing. You can see it's damaged right there. It's ripped off. I'm trying to set y'all up over here if I can. Okay. See me right there? Perfect. This is kind of what we're working with today, just because of like I said, I'm by myself. But I'm trying to be as general as I can with the shingle. If we send a roofing company out here, they're not going to be as gentle as they can. They're more time efficient than they are gentle. So we're just going to try and show y'all, the purpose of this today and why we think we need to do what we need to do. Start taking this loose. I hope that was still going. See, all these are kind of going to be like this. You can see how messed up the holes are. This one was way easier to get out than it should have been. You can see where it's been at. All the nail holes are messed up, super wide. There's still so many nails left that should have had to come out that, you know, it's just with the condition of the roof, they're not good. We are still gonna have to take those loose actually to be able to properly install the next one. Let me back it up a little bit. Trying not to damage that front face, but it's just so much. All these should have had to come out. I'm trying not to bend it past the 90-degree angle, but you know, it's kind of tough. Whenever you can see right here, I've already, that one tore, just for me lifting and raising so much. You know, I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, but we're having to touch, really, if you count hitting this bottom one, 5 different shingles just to take this one shingle out. If you ask me, it's not working. All right, I believe that's all of them. Our new shingle that we're going to be coming in with. Fit it up in there. Alright, the shingle that I may have maybe a little too big, but it's definitely, I mean, not much longer. This would definitely work. Now we're gonna have to go back in and try and, you know, put all these nails back without hitting the face of this shingle, causing damage to it, and without bending it past, you know, a certain angle which would cause creases into it. That's really what we're trying to avoid. So I'm gonna start doing that now. Make sure you can see me.